Now, with the pheasant, I'm also serving some red cabbage, and we all grew up with this stuff, pickled in a jar, but this is done in a very simple form. It's started on top of the stove, it's got butter in with it, and then we season it with brown sugar over the cabbage, and then a tablespoon of vinegar, add that to the brown sugar, salt, pepper, and then we braise it in the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes so it cooks nice and slowly, absorbs the vinegar, the sugar caramelises it and makes it a really nice, tasty cabbage. Now I'm serving devil's and horseback with the pheasant, and that's basically a prune that's been wrapped in bacon. The sweetness and the saltiness of the bacon goes brilliantly with the pheasant. Cocktail stick, keep the bacon on there, into a pan. Get some really good colour on the bacon, gets nice and crispy, and that crispy bacon with a sweet prune is amazing. Now, don't forget to take the cocktail sticks out before you serve them. There it is. Yeah, 5 pheasant, 1 ravioli. Yeah, journalist table, watch that table, Liz Jones, journalist. You serve the pheasant first, then the ravioli, OK? OK, be very, very careful, yeah? Now, earlier today, I set the commies a challenge, and that was to try and separate the men from the boys. We've got a table of vegetarians in this evening. Now, vegetarian food has to be just as exciting as the normal menu. So on this table in front of us, we've got an array of vegetables. I want you to think of a vegetarian filling for a ravioli. Think about it, spinach, ricotta, sautéed mushrooms, rocket, basil. You know, just have a look. You've got half an hour. Let's go, yes? What's going through your mind? What are you doing?
Cheese,
Cheese.
tomato.
Work and talk at the same time. We're against the clock. We're like a fully booked restaurant, yes? It's not just about your cheese and tomatoes. So, what are you going to do?
Cheese, tomato, mozzarella.
OK.
Is that OK?
Yeah, that sounds nice. And you're going to season it with fresh basil?
Yeah, basil.
OK, hurry up, yes? Right, Russell, what are you doing?
I'm thinking of a open-top ravioli.
Open-top ravioli. Nice. And what's in the open-top ravioli?
Right, I'm thinking sun-dried tomatoes.
Yep.
And then I've also got roasted pepper going on there. Just give it that flavour, just get it going. I'm going to put some blue cheese into it as well.
Blue cheese as well?
Yeah.
And as you know, we haven't got all day, you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah? OK, so move your arse, yeah?
Yep, yes, chef.
OK, Phil. What are you going to do?
I'm going to do a tomato and basil with a buffalo mozzarella.
OK. And you put the mozzarella in when it's cooled down, so it doesn't melt?
Just so it doesn't melt, so we can just keep that solid cubes there, yeah.
So as it starts to cook in the ravioli, it just slightly melts inside?
That's it, yeah.
OK, good. Looks like something out of a sci-fi movie.
It tastes nice.
Well, we'll find out, won't we, Sue? OK, guys, that's it. Let's go. Kerry on the hot plate. Russell, let's go. Phil, Kerry, there. Come on, stand next to it. Right, Russell. Pasta's stone cold. You didn't even heat the pasta up.
Yes, chef.
Phil, he started blanching his pasta and you followed suit rather than remaining as an individual because your filling looked nice. Unfortunately, so far I've got stone cold pasta, overcooked pasta. Let's hope the last one at least has got something. What's that, the raw sage leaf? Yeah?
No.
Yeah. We only put on a plate what we can eat. Yeah? Never forget that. And look at that. You can see why I don't change nappies. Insipid, bland, and nothing what I asked for. A simple ravioli. Unfortunately, I'm not going to serve any of them in the restaurant for vegetarians. You know that. Tonight, get your shit together. Yeah? Clear down.